Hey traders, welcome back to uGenesys. Are you ready to take your first step towards financial freedom? In this video, I'll guide you through setting up your HotForex Markets account, and stick around until the end because I have an exciting opportunity to share with you. So first, let's set up your HotForex Markets account. So from the home page here, we'll go to the top and click register. And then under this individual tab, you would enter your country of residence, email, and password. And you would check this box and hit register. Next, you would click here to verify your email. Next, you would fill in your personal details in these sections and then select your currency and then hit continue. And so after you've entered your details and verified your identification, then it should take you to this page here where you'll get this message saying your MyHF account is approved. So now that you have your HotForex Markets account ready, let's explore how you can maximize your earnings. Imagine earning passive income while expert traders manage your investment. Introducing Pipwise Copy Trading. With Pipwise, you can enjoy the potential for substantial profits without lifting a finger. Let the experts do the work for you. And let me show you how to get started with our Pipwise Copy Trading program. Once you're signed in, you would need a minimum deposit of $10 in a live account. So we'll use $10 for the purpose of this video, but you can start with any amount of your choice. And if you already have a live account, you can either make a $10 deposit if needed, or if your account already has more than $10, you can skip this step. But if you don't have a live account, you would first go over here to Trading Accounts, select Open Live Account, and then select Cent Account. Then you would choose your preferred platform, and the currency here is in US cents, and then you'd hit Open Accounts. And once the account is opened, it will give you the option to make the deposit. Now after making the minimum deposit to our live account, for the purpose of copy trading, we would now need to create a follower account. So if you already have one, you can skip this step, but if you don't, what you want to do is go over here to HF Copy and click on New Follower. And here's what we want: copy sent, hit select, and for the partner ID, you're going to enter the number 356433. Hit add, check the confirmation box, then hit finish. Then you should see this page letting you know that the follower account is opened. Now one thing to keep in mind is that whenever you make a deposit on HotForex Markets, the funds will remain in the particular live account that you made the deposit to. But for copy trading, we want the funds to go to your newly created follower account. And in order to do that, we have to transfer the funds from the live funded account to our wallet section. So let's click on transfer funds. Then we'll hit this drop down and select a live funded account that we'll transfer the funds from. So for those who created the live sent account and deposited $10, the account would show up here and you would select it. And those with pre-existing funded premium accounts, you can select them here as well. And so over here, it should say My Wallet. That's where we are transferring the funds to. So if you had a live premium account with the currency in US dollars, you would put 10 here. But for those who created cent accounts, you would put 1,000. And then hit transfer funds. And it should reflect at the top right here. And now to copy our trading strategy, you would click on the link below, and it will take you to this page where you will see our account details. Now in case you're wondering if there is a weekly or monthly fee, let me assure you that there are no weekly or monthly fees. Right here where it says performance fee 20%, that means that whenever you make profits from our trading strategy, you give us 20% and keep the remaining 80%. And that is for profitable trades only, so no deductions if we make a losing trade. So next click follow, and you should see a follower sent account ID right here, and you would enter the desired amount that you would want to trade under the trading strategy right here. So for now, we'll just put it at the minimum of 1,000 cents. And right here where it says choose volume allocation, we'll put that at 100%. For choose rescue level, we'll put 0%. And for copy minimum volume and copy maximum volume, we'll put yes for both. And then hit start following. And then you should get this confirmation message. And if we go back to our follower account, you'll see the balance right here. And it will always update every time we trade. It's easy to get started with Pipwise. Just follow these simple steps. And here's the best part. You don't need any trading experience. Pipwise does all the work for you. Ready to learn more about Pipwise copy trading and how you can earn passively? Click the link below to join our Telegram group. Our friendly team will be there to help you get started, answer your questions, and provide all the information you need. So there you have it. You've set up your HotForex Markets account and discovered the amazing potential of Pipwise copy trading. If you're ready to earn passive income and grow your wealth, take the next step. Join our Telegram group today, and together we'll pave the way for your financial success.